Alterity. Alterity is derived from the Latin alteritas, meaning the state of being other or different. Alterity is what enables us to distinguish ourselves from the world, to see the world as outside us and our consciousness. Popularized in the work of the philosopher Emmanuel Levinas in the 1970s, it originally meant a sense of the non self, of something that is outside of and therefore different from the self. In postcolonial theory, the term alterity has often been used interchangeably with otherness and difference. Within postcolonial studies, the term is deployed to convey the sense of a radical racial and cultural otherness and the process through which this otherness is constructed. There are several layers to this postcolonial use of the term alterity. First, colonial culture constructs the native as the radical other of white cultures. Second, this African or Caribbean other is not simply other, it is an inferior other. Third, African, Islamic, and Hindu cultures become objects of study in colonial science, philosophy, literature, and psychology. Alterity, in this sense, is the reduction of the native individual and culture to a mere object, lacking any will or consciousness, and one which can be examined, studied, and pronounced upon by the colonial. Fourth, constructions of alterity in the colonial context take recourse to stereotypes, the savage, irrational, emotional native versus the calm, rational, and systematic white. Fifth, such constructions of otherness become institutionalized, resulting in practices such as racism, where the different skin color of Africans or Indians is evaluated as a sign of their inferiority to the whites. Sixth, once alterity has been institutionalized, it can then justify colonial conquest, modernization, civilization projects wherein the European self seeks to improve the primitive colonized subject, and governance, since it is assumed that the colonized subject is incapable of governing him or herself. The institutionalization of alterity enables the European to present itself as a savior, benefactor, ruler, and modern, and therefore crucial to the colonial enterprise.